Like and subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get more updates from us.
I need to take a left turn here, so first I get into a proper lane, then I would watch out for the signal and then proceed further. I see a yield signal, so I will watch out for vehicles coming from right and then proceed if it is safe to do. I need to go straight, so I get into a proper lane. I notice that a pedestrian is crossing the road and the car in front is stopped. So I cautiously slowed down my car. I notice a keep clear sign. If I move in the front I might block this area. So I stay behind the keep clear sign and wait for the vehicles in the front to move. I need to go straight, so I follow the straight lane. In case if I had to take right, I would get into the right lane and I would take in extra care of the right signal, as this can be a bit confusing. I need to take a left turn and I notice that the signal is green. I would stay in the same lane. The signal is still green and there is a lane sign on the road. Also I notice that there is a cycle track on the left. So while turning left I take extra care for the cyclists. I notice the speed limit sign. While driving further I will make sure I don't exceed this allowed speed limit. I need to take a right turn here and I notice that there is a keep clear sign, so I stop the car at a right place and yield for the vehicles coming from the opposite direction. Since I am on the major lane, I have the right of way to turn right. I will cautiously take right turn once it's safe to do. At the end of this road, once I take a right turn I would reach the driving test center. Thanks for watching this video. Like this video and subscribe to this channel for more updates.